Hello and welcome to my channel. I am in Moscow and today I'm gonna explore new neighborhood of Moscow, Russia. So if you wanna see it with my own eyes, then keep watching. I am in this area for the first time, so let me explore it for myself and simultaneously you're gonna explore it as well. I really like this bricked architecture. Let me show it closer. Here we go, these bricks. And now I'm heading the main street of this little town or little neighborhood. A lot of people here, especially young generation, because this place is new, it's fashionable. Look at these trees, so much greenery here. And I'm wondering if somebody's living there. I see this small house or apartment building. There are different restaurants, cafes here. A lot of flowers. Yeah, let me know at the end your opinion about this place. I like the clouds, I like the weather. Everything is sunny. People are smiling. So it's beautiful as always. This place is located near one of the biggest railway stations of Moscow, called Kurskaya. Let's dive a little deeper inside of this area. Looks like a small town or some kind of village. And these bricked structures, bricked buildings, reminded me a little of London or Manchester or Great Britain in general. It seems so that it used to be a factory buildings. Something was produced here, but now it's another purpose. Today, as you can see, is a very cloudy day, and the sun, one time it goes very sunny, and the next second it becomes very dark and bluish. So the weather is very pleasant. It's 26 degrees Celsius, so it's really pleasant to walk, and let's walk together. Let me check what's going on there. I see the big, how do you call it, cylindrical, I forgot this word. Let me know in the comments. This structure, dark brown structure. Here I can see barber shop and anti-cafe. And look at these paintings on the wall, as if it's some street with windows. So yeah, they made this factory. They give, they gave, sorry, they gave it new life. They remade it to new neighborhood. So 1 second it's dark, another second it's sunny again. So here is the weather in Moscow for you. And in another second it could be rain, heavy rain. Yeah, it's the weather is unpredictable here. It's like in New York. And on the left hand side here is the railroad. You can hear trains go by. But look how greenery, how green it is, and how clean everything is. So this area is very pleasant for walking, for exploring. And I really like the orange bricks because it makes everything positive, everything sunny, and yeah, very nice. Isn't it a chimney? Is it the word I was looking for? I really like that these roads are for pedestrian only, so there are no cars, no noise, no pollution. Feels like a small town. Lady in red. Yeah, as I told you before, there are a lot of different cafes, restaurants, people hanging out. So it looks very modern and at the same time very old. The structures, these buildings, renovated very well, but you can see history here. And it doesn't look made up. I really like that round shaped apartments, or what is this? Offices? I don't know, maybe something. Let me know in the comments what does this place, what does this look for you? What does it remind you? What city or what country? Do you have such places in your country? And I like it that everything is so clean here. Look at this giant round structures. So I walked around and I'm on a front side of it. I'm gonna go by and see what. And by the way, these flowers are real. I can smell it. Smells nice. And I wanna go further to see what's behind this neighborhood. How it's different from this area. So I'm gonna show you the difference. Maybe it's full of trash. Let's see. Oh, we're walking farther and the weather became even more nice. So such a pleasant vibe here. A lot of trees. Really like this area. And I walked around to the. Here it is, the building. This building is the railroad station on the left hand side, and in front of me, look at this full of artwork building. What do you think of this artworks, of these paintings? And I want to know what is this, what's inside of it. Maybe art gallery, but it's huge. So let me ask somebody. So I asked some strangers and they told me here is the mall, shopping center inside of it, and it's full of artworks, different styles, but it's very colorful. So I'm gonna go by, I'm gonna go around and explore it as well. We're in the same area around railroad station. So guys, I'm inside of this shopping mall. Look at this, everything huge, everything is colorful. There is the fountain. I'm really hungry, so I ordered some burgers. I am in food court area of this shopping mall. Let me show you what I ordered. This food court is huge, enormous. So I ordered these 2 burgers. These are really tiny. I'm gonna taste it now. So it costed me $1, $1.50 for 1 burger, so $3 for 2 burgers. It's called Franklin Burgers, and it tastes like napkin. Sorry. Here is the Vietnamese cafe. I like the interior design, this painting, very colorful. And I'm almost on a rooftop. Look at this, what's around. Here is the railroad station, covered in glass. It's enormous as well, one of the biggest railroad stations in Moscow. And do you recognize, here is the area we've been to, we explored at the beginning. So guys, I'm outside. There was a nice vibe inside of this mall, so I'm gonna explore a little more. Let me know what do you think of it. Look at this dog, a robot dog. This road is a circle road around Moscow. It's like a highway but in a round shape. I can see a tower covered in the artwork as well. Yeah, let me know what do you think of this area. Please leave a like if you liked it. Give me your suggestions. And thank you for watching. Here is this artwork. And see you in the next video. Bye.